5 best sunrise alarm lights for natural wake-ups.
Discover which sunrise alarm lights can help you wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Whether you're a light sleeper or struggle to get out of bed, these innovative clocks use gentle light to simulate a sunrise, making mornings feel softer and more natural. Let's count down the top 5 sunrise alarm lights designed for a smoother start to your day.
1. Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light.
The Philips SmartSleep is a leading choice for sunrise alarm lights. It transitions smoothly from soft reds to bright white, mimicking a natural sunrise. With customizable brightness settings, natural sounds, and a gentle sunset feature for bedtime, the SmartSleep is praised for reliability and ease of use. This model is a top pick for those seeking clinically tested technology to improve their morning routines.
2. Hatch Restore 2.
Hatch Restore 2 combines a sunrise alarm with sound and sleep routines. This device offers customizable wake-up lighting, a variety of soothing sounds, and the option to program nighttime routines. Its modern design and intuitive app controls make it a favorite for those looking for a stylish, all-in-one sleep solution. The Hatch is especially popular with users wanting both gradual alarms and calming evenings.
3. Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300.
The Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300 is a well-regarded option from a trusted UK brand. It delivers a gradual sunrise and sunset simulation and provides over 15 wake-up and sleep sounds. With a clear display and easy-to-use controls, the Lumie is perfect for individuals who value simplicity and effectiveness in their morning routines. Many find it helpful for improving overall mood and well-being.
4. Casper Glow Light.
Casper's Glow Light offers a minimalist sunrise experience. This cordless, rechargeable gadget emits soft, warm light that gradually brightens to wake you gently. Designed for maximum portability, it can be adjusted with a simple twist or shake. While it doesn't offer built-in sound, its focus on gentle lighting and user-friendly design makes it ideal for those who prefer subtle, natural mornings.
5. Homelabs Sunrise Alarm Clock.
The Homelabs Sunrise Alarm Clock is an affordable favorite for many households. With its colorful sunrise simulation, 6 natural wake-up sounds, and FM radio, it delivers versatility without breaking the bank. The easy-to-read display and built-in USB charging port add convenience. This model is an excellent entry-level sunrise alarm for budget-conscious buyers looking to elevate their wake-up routine.
Choose your sunrise alarm for better mornings.
Sunrise alarm lights offer a gentle, more natural way to wake up. Whether you prioritize features, design, or affordability, there's a sunrise alarm to fit your needs. Consider your sleep habits and desired functions as you choose, and enjoy more energized, refreshing mornings. Embrace the benefits of waking up with light and start your day with a positive, healthy boost.